Hi, this is Rick with Mystic Falls and Ponds LLC out here in Northport, Florida. And today I'm moving some big rocks out of the pond we're going to be rebuilding. And this is what I'm moving today. Anyway, probably, I don't know if you can see the size of it here, but these are over 200 pounds. I just got them out of the pond myself. I have no more help, but this is what we're doing, cleaning this up. We're going to push that waterfall back, get this all taken care of here, and the front of it, we're going to be pushing the front back further to right about where that cord is. So that way we can have a little more room in the front here, and the skimmer we'll be putting in here. We'll be putting in a Aquascape 1000, and then we have the 6000 waterfall box going in right about where you see that basket fern and the variegated ginger there. And that's where the waterfall's going to be starting and coming down right here. We'll be coming right between those trees, coming around, down in through here. We're going to be splitting it into a stream on this side and a stream coming on this side here. And she'll probably be a pretty wide one on this side. I want to make sure we get enough push. I'm contemplating in putting in a new drain system, a bottom drain in here, and then putting it in there because I'm going to be putting in a 10,000 pump and also putting in a 10,000 pump, and also I'm going to be putting in a 52. And I'm thinking about taking that 52 and putting it on the bottom there, but then piping it instead of putting in a jet push pump, putting in another line coming in down here with a bulkhead to be able to push everything forward on the bottom so it doesn't stick. We're going to be widening this out here to where those flowers are. We're going to be taking those out, and we'll probably be taking a little bit out on this side over here, taking some of this out too. And I have to struggle with those tables. The tops of those tables weigh about 450 pounds, just the tops. So I've got to move those out of the way. So there's our project, and hopefully we will have it done before the hot weather comes, because I got to do this in between all my other jobs. So this is going to be a pick away at, and I hope you guys have a great day. This is Rick with Mystic Falls and Ponds LLC. See you later.